One of the very creative Python library is called pyfiglet. You can use pyfiglet to just make fancy text, or you have a series of charts which you want to bring in some fancy element or some creative element in it. So we will just explore how you can use the pyfiglet library to make very creative animations of charts. Let's say you want to wish someone a happy birthday and you want to do that in Python using pyfiglet. First, we will import time as well as import pyfiglet. We will now create a variable, and then this I'm not going to use it, a hello word, but just say a happy birthday with a font, or you can also just leave it like this. We can now create a loop and say for all the characters in this message, you can print the character, and then at end you can leave it like that and then put in a flash as true. We may want to delay how it prints. So what we are just doing here is that we are telling pyfiglet to print a certain format, which is this, with a delay of 0.01. Let's make it 0.02. And then we can print just this. So this is just one of the many things you can do with a pyfiglet.